Hi, everyone. My name is Christopher Pérez. I am the director in the Office of Graduate Diversity and Inclusion here in the Graduate School at University of Maryland, College Park. I wear a lot of hats and I have a lot of roles in the graduate school. And one of those roles is processing application fee waivers. So this is a very brief tutorial and introduction to application fee waiver information, requests, and eligibility. So in this video, it's going to be a very brief overview and tutorial about how to request an application fee waiver. Now, we get a lot of questions. So if you are unsure about your eligibility, check our website, our application fee waiver information and eligibility website. I'll post it down in the description below, along with some other important links that you'll need when you're starting and saving and submitting your application. Now, if you're just new to this, you'll want to review our programs A to Z. Again, I'll put that in the description link below. And you'll want to make sure you look at your program deadline. All the deadlines are different, and so you want to make sure that you submit your application before the deadline. But when requesting an application fee waiver, what you'll want to do is start and save your application before you request your application fee waiver. So start and save. You can start and save at any time by filling out your basic applicant profile, your name, phone number, email, address, and then save it. Once you've saved your application, which you should do early in the process, then email gradschool@umd.edu, and you can copy me, Christopher Pérez, Director of Office of Graduate Diversity and Inclusion, at cperez6@umd.edu, and attach your some kind of verification that you participated in one of our fee waiver programs. Again, that full list is on the fee waiver eligibility and information website down in the description. So once you email the grad school, simply put in the subject line application fee waiver request, and in the body of the email, state your name, what program you participated in, and indicate that you have attached your verification form. So your verification form can be a letter, it can be some kind of document that shows that you participated, say like at Abercams or SACNAS. If you're McNair, you'll want to attach the signed McNair verification form. If you participated in something like LSAMP, SHIP, NSBE, then just simply have your director or chapter president craft a letter that you can submit. Again, you'll want to request your application fee waiver early once you start and save your application. Once you've done that in the email, just hit send and wait for verification. Now, I ask folks to do this early because it could take up to a couple of weeks to process an application fee waiver. So how it works operationally is applicants request an application fee waiver, I approve them, and then other folks in the graduate school process them. So do be sure that you're reaching out to the right people. Again, that's gradschool@umd.edu, and all of the instructions are down at the very bottom of the fee waiver information and eligibility website. So once you've sent your email requesting an application fee waiver, I encourage you to continue working on your application. You can upload in your documents throughout the entire process. Just make sure that you submit everything before the deadline. So once you your application fee waiver has been processed, you'll receive an email from the graduate school indicating that you have an application fee waiver and that you are now ready to submit your application. So, a couple of things to keep in mind. Don't wait until the last minute to request your application fee waiver. A lot of folks tend to wait until they're ready to submit their application. And the problem with that is if it takes a few days or a week or a couple of weeks to process your application and your deadline, you've requested an application fee waiver on the day of your deadline, well, then you will not be eligible and you will have missed the deadline. And it actually creates a lot of work for us in the graduate school because then we have to ask the program to open up your application again, to request an extension. All of this can take a lot of time. So that's the first thing, is request your application fee waiver early. You do not have to wait until the deadline to request your application fee waiver. Another thing to keep in mind, you must start and save your application before we can process it. If you're not in our system, then we don't have anything to waive, you know? So just make sure that you start and save your application. Once you do that, you request your application fee waiver. We can go into your application, click on the fee waiver tab, and then send you a notice saying that your application fee has been waived. Another thing to keep in mind is if you have failed to request an application fee waiver and you are in fact eligible and you do pay the application fee and then want to get reimbursed, that's actually another process altogether. So do be sure to know if you're eligible, request your application fee waiver early on by starting and saving first, then request your application fee waiver, then submit your application. If you've submitted your application before requesting your application fee waiver, we actually have to go through a whole other system to get you that $75 back. So just make sure when you start and save your application, go ahead and request that application fee waiver early on in the process. And then that way it eliminates a whole step when you are applying to the graduate school at University of Maryland, College Park. Again, email gradschool@umd.edu and copy me, Christopher Pérez, cperez6@umd.edu. And you can always reach out to the graduate school or me if you have questions about application fee waivers and eligibility. All right, well, thank you.